Good evening! Last video, we learned how to say beautiful, handsome, cute, and ugly. And we also use those words in some examples. And tonight, let's learn how to say I'm beautiful, I'm handsome, I'm cute, and I'm ugly. I am cute, or ako ay cute. Ako ay cute. And to say I am beautiful, ako ay maganda. Ako ay maganda. And to say I am ugly, ako ay pangit. Ako ay pangit. I am handsome. Ako ay guwapo. Ako ay guwapo. I'm cute. You can say, ako ay cute or cute ako. To say I'm beautiful, ako ay maganda. Also, another way to say it is, maganda ako. Maganda ako or ako ay maganda. Next, pangit. I'm ugly is ako ay pangit or pangit ako. And to say I am handsome, ako ay guwapo, or you can also say guwapo ako. Guwapo ako. So that's it for tonight. Good night. Have a great weekend.